Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 26th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. And two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 66558. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O, oh wait, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one here, no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.